Hey there, welcome to the Science of It. I'm joined by Mac, who is on staff here at the Science Center and also a paleontologist. So you've got a bit of an expert level understanding of dinosaurs, and being that December is Dinosaur Month, let's talk about more than just seeing these beautiful displays, but really learning about them.
Being in an exhibit hall like this one, this is a really good way to bring fossils into the hands of families and friends and things like that. I mean, this is a really interesting environment because not only do we have all of these specimens like stand behind us, we're also able to, on this cart specifically, bring out real specimens and real fossils for people to be able to touch and really see in a hands-on environment. It's really, really cool.
So being a paleontologist, you understand kind of how we got to be able to look at dinosaur fossils like this. Talk to me a little bit about that discovery process over the years.
Yeah, specifically T-Rexes, they were discovered in 1902 by Barnum Brown in Montana, which is actually not too far from where this specimen came from. And it took a long time for us to be able to take those bones out of the ground and really get to where we are now in terms of T-Rex specimens. The first ones were kind of articulated to be standing up with a posture much like we have, with almost like a kangaroo tail dragging behind them. And as we kind of discovered more, we realized that this segment of the body is incredibly heavy, and that tail would have been used to balance it out, almost like a level. So they would have much more of a horizontal posture instead. And it takes a long time for scientists to be able to get those ideas. We have to put these bones together and take them back apart and analyze where all of the muscles go, just to figure out even just how they stood, not only how they lived, their behaviors, how they ate, all kinds of stuff like that. It's just really interesting to be able to see that while these guys were evolving millions of years ago, our understanding of them is evolving today.
Because December is Dinosaur Month, there's also special things that you guys are doing here.
Absolutely. We have a bunch of new programming that will be coming in during the month, but also specifically during Paleontology Party, which is December 14th and 15th. And I know that I will hopefully be able to be out here doing individual dinosaur talks all around this, all around the hall, and really dive into the discovery and all of the different things that we have found out about these individual specimens. I think it's going to be really fun.
Mac, so excited. Thank you very much. And thank you for joining us for the Science of It.